Hey guys, we're here with a class 153, apparently. I have no idea what unit number. Oh, hang on, it looks like a class 387. Oh, hang on. Hang on a minute. Let me pause the video here, guys. Sorry, that was an awful intro. That's not a 153. Oh, it's coming straight through. Okay. No idea what numbers they were. Rates absolutely stink. I'm gonna try and find the 153 now. Okay, retitling this video to 387s and 800s apparently. To London Paddington. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Now is the probably 153's coming. It's right in the distance, I think. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. That's 345s, 387s and 800s. Thanks for watching.